Hello guys, we have 3 to the power of 75, which is bigger, or 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 100. So what we're going to do is we can write 3 to the power of 75 as 3 to the power of 3 times 25. Then we can write this other one as 2 to the power of 4 times 25. So if we write that, it means we can have 25. We can have something like this: 3 to the power of 3, 25, then, or 2 to the power of 4, 25. So if we have that, we are going to have 3 to the power of 3 is 27. We have here 25. Then here 16 to the power of 25. Now if we compare now, the powers are the same. So since the powers are the same, we can compare the base now. We can compare the base a little. So if we compare the base, we discover that 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 75 is greater, because 27 is greater than 16. So the correct answer is option A. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Hello friends, welcome to my online math. We are asked to find the value of m in 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m. So for us to solve this, we can multiply both the exponents, multiply and divide the exponent by 2. That's to say we're going to have here 3 raised to power m raised to power 2 divided by 2 minus 2 raised to power m raised to power 2 divided by 2 equals to 65. So if we have that, we can also have something like this: 3 raised to power m divided by 2 raised to power 2 minus 2 raised to power m divided by 2 raised to power 2 equals to 65. So if we have that result, we can also select 3 raised to power m divided by 2 equals to x and 2 raised to power m divided by 2 equals to y. So if we have that result, we can substitute now. If we substitute, we are going to have here x raised to power 2, because we said let this be x and this one be y, minus y raised to power 2 equals to 65. This has formed difference of 2 square. So since this is difference of 2 square, we can express this as x plus y, x minus y equals to 65. So if that be the case now, 65 is a positive number. So, and this is a positive number. So, from what we have here, x is greater than y is greater than 0. We can find the prime factors of 65. And the prime factors of 65 we can have here, we can have something like 1 times 65. We can have something like 65 times 1. We can have 5 times 13. We can also have 13 times 5. So if that be the case, and these are the possible prime numbers, so if that be the case, we can have this. This one is not a prime number. This one is not a prime number. But this is a prime number. And this also is a prime number. But since it is prime number, remember that x is greater than y is greater than 0. So x must be greater than y. 5 is not greater than 13. So we strike out this, is not work. But 13 is greater than 5. So we are going to choose this. We're going to choose this. So if we choose this, it therefore means that we are going to have x, our x plus y will be equals to 13, and will be equals to 13, and our x minus y will be equals to 5. Since our x minus y will be equals to 5. Since x plus y must be greater than x plus y. So if that be the case, now we have formed a simultaneous equation. We can call this equation 1, call this equation 2. If we solve it simultaneously by adding equation 1 and 2, add equation 1 and 2. So if we add these two equations together, we're going to have 2x equals to 13 plus 5. 2x equals to 13 plus 5, the result is 13 plus 5, the result is 18. So divided by 2, it means this implies that x is equals to 9. So if x is equals to 9, we know that x plus y equals to 13. So if x plus y equals to 13, how do we get the value of y now? Our x is 9, we're going to have 9 plus y equals to 13. This implies that y equals to 13 minus 9. Y equals to 4. So if y equals to 4, remember from our original, but we already said that from our original equation that we have already said that x is equals to 3 raised to power m over 2. So if we substitute that and y is equals to 2, y is equals to 2 raised to power m over 2. So for our value of x, that is 9, we're going to have 9 equals to 3 raised to power m over 2. 3 raised to power 2 is 9 equals to 3 raised to power m divided by 2. This implies that 2 equals to m divided by 2. M is equals to 4. 2 times 2, which is what? 4. So that is what we have for the value of m. That's what we have for the value of m. If you try these two for this particular one, that we have y equals to 2 raised to power m over 2. Y is 4. So y is we got the value of y to be 4. So we are going to have here 4 implies that 4 equals to 2 raised to power m divided by 2. Then 2 raised to power 2 is 4 equals to 2 raised to power 2 is 4 equals to 2 raised to power m divided by 2. So if that be the case, it therefore means that m2, we equate the base now, 2 will be equals to m divided by 2. At this point in time, m also is the same thing as 4. But let us check if our answer is correct. For us to check if our answer is correct, check if our answer is correct. Remember the original equation was 3 raised to power m minus 2 raised to power m equals to 65. So for us to check this, we substitute 3 raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 equals to 65. 3 raised to power 4 is 81. So we're going to have 81 minus 2 raised to power 4 is 16 equals to 65 here. So here, 65 is equal to 65. Thank you for watching, and do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.